Rahim.
Rahim.
What letter is it?
Alif.
Alif. Good. Then this one.
Ba.
Ba. What did I tell you? How we call it?
Ba.
Yes. Say again.
Ba.
Good. How many dots are there?
1.
Where is it?
On the bottom.
On the bottom. Good. Now what letter is it?
Ta.
The. How will you call it?
Ta.
Yes. Say again.
Ta.
One more time. Ta.
Ta.
Good. How many dots are there?
2.
Where are they?
On the top.
On the top. Good. And what letter is it?
Sa.
Sa. How we call it?
Sa.
Yeah. When I ask you, you directly call it with its proper name. The way that we call it. Say again.
Sa.
One more time.
Sa.
How many dots are there?
3.
3 dots. Good. So now tell me the difference between these 3 letters.
Sa and ta. They both have the dots in front of it.
Good.
And
Also
sa,
mention the number of dots.
sa has the biggest dots.
How many dots?
3.
3. And then ta.
Ta has almost, because one more needs to be on the top.
How many dots are there on ta?
2.
2. And then
ba has the lowest.
how many dots?
1.
1. Very good. So this is your lesson for today, and inshallah I will listen you tomorrow and do practice it. Okay?
Okay.
Say inshallah.
Inshallah.
Good. Now I'm going to send you stars, as you have done a very good job.
من حولهم أنوار فاضت من القرآن في صحبة الأبرار وصفوة الأخيار. من حولهم أنوار فاضت من القرآن